Optimizing your LinkedIn profile can help you stand out to recruiters, expand your network, and establish your professional brand. Here's how to do it effectively. Start by optimizing your profile basics. Use a professional profile photo that is high quality and clearly represents you. Write a compelling headline that goes beyond just your job title and highlights your key skills or expertise. Customize your LinkedIn URL to make it clean and professional, making it easier for others to find and connect with you. In the About section, craft your professional story in a few well-structured paragraphs. Introduce yourself, highlight your expertise, and mention your career goals. Use relevant keywords to improve your profile's search visibility and ensure your summary reflects your unique value in your field. Optimize your work experience by listing your current and past roles with clear descriptions. Quantify your achievements wherever possible to showcase your impact, such as increasing efficiency, improving processes, or driving growth. Mention the tools and technologies you use to demonstrate your technical proficiency. Highlight your skills and seek endorsements to add credibility to your profile. Add relevant skills and pin the top 3 that best represent your expertise. Request endorsements from colleagues and managers to strengthen your professional credibility. Work on strengthening your network by connecting with industry professionals, engaging with posts, and joining relevant LinkedIn groups. Networking actively can open doors to new opportunities and keep you updated on industry trends. Don't forget to showcase your certifications and projects. Adding certifications enhances your credibility, while highlighting key projects demonstrates your expertise and hands-on experience. It is also beneficial to have recommendations from colleagues, managers, or clients. Request well-written recommendations that reflect your skills and contributions, as they add authenticity and strengthen your profile. Lastly, stay active on LinkedIn by posting quality content. Share insights, industry updates, or articles that provide value to your network. Engaging with the LinkedIn community by commenting on and resharing posts can also help establish your presence and expertise.